Wearing commercial slicer, unboxing, demo, and tips. Yes, it can slice a foot-long piece. I am a fan of shabu shabu. In the past, I have purchased several home-use slicers, but none have proven to be keepers. Most lacked sufficient power to cut effectively, despite their claimed horsepower. Additionally, they often had weak construction at critical parts, such as the gears. I decided I needed a professional-grade slicer. However, those used in large commercial settings did not seem worth the investment for my needs. Then I recently discovered this model. This slicer is built and certified for commercial use, yet it's priced as a high-end model suitable for home use. For those with small commercial needs or demanding home use, this slicer should be a keeper. Let me unbox. It's heavy, made from cast aluminum. The 12-inch blade allows it to cut larger pieces of meat than smaller models. It meets NSF standards. The switch has a sealed cover, and the slicer's weight ensures it won't easily move around. 4 rubber feet help it grip the table surface securely. At first glance, I thought it could handle only 6-inch thick meat, but I was mistaken. Upon closer inspection, I found meat grips on 2 sides, allowing meat to be fed in at least 2 different ways. With a long piece of meat, such as a foot long, I can feed the meat vertically to the blade and grip it on the side. For any meat thinner than 5.5 inch, I can choose to grip it on the end. It operates at a single speed with a 1 horsepower motor. The blade, made in Italy, allows for thickness adjustments from 0 to 15 millimeters. The noise level is low. Cleaning instructions are clear, emphasizing the need for daily cleaning after use. Tips. As you may know, the meat should be solid and partially frozen. However, I found that meat that's icy solid is much harder to work with than meat that's solid but not icy. For the future, if the meat is icy solid, I'll plan to let it sit out for a short period before cutting, closely monitoring it to ensure it remains within safe temperature guidelines. It's important to minimize the time meat spends in the danger zone, 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4 to 60 degrees Celsius, where bacteria grow most rapidly. According to food safety guidelines, meat should not be left out at room temperature for more than 2 hours, or 1 hour if the temperature is above 90 degrees Fahrenheit 32 degrees Celsius. Adjusting thawing time based on room temperature and meat thickness can help maintain food safety while achieving the desired slicing consistency. When I bought another ribeye and froze it for about 3 to 4 hours, I found it very easy to work with and still achieved very good results. It yields results similar to those at a restaurant, as you can see here.